In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a single email in Gmail. This quick walkthrough is perfect when you need to pass along just one message to someone else without sharing an entire conversation thread. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in to your account. Once you're in, you'll land in your inbox. Take a moment to locate the specific message you want to forward. It helps to scan the sender, subject line, and the first line of the preview to make sure you've got the right email, especially if there are multiple messages in a conversation. Next, move your mouse over that email in the inbox list so it's highlighted. With your cursor hovering over it, right-click. A small menu will appear with a few options related to that message. In that menu, click Forward. This action tells Gmail that you want to forward that single email, not the entire conversation. Gmail will open a draft window for you, and you'll see the To field at the top. This is where you enter the recipient's email address. Type it carefully, and take a second to verify the spelling and domain so it goes to the correct person. You'll also notice that Gmail automatically includes the original message content below, and the subject line typically shows that it's a forwarded message. That's normal, and helps the recipient understand they're receiving an existing email rather than a brand new thread. Before you send, give the draft a quick glance. Make sure it's the correct message, and be mindful of any private information that might be in the body of the email or in attachments. Forwarding passes along what's in that single email, including any files that were attached to it, so it's a good habit to double-check what's being shared. When everything looks good and the To field is complete, click Send. You'll usually see a small confirmation pop up at the bottom of your screen, letting you know your message was sent. That's it. You've successfully forwarded a single email in Gmail using the right-click option from your inbox. As a quick recap, the key is to right-click directly on the email you want in your inbox, choose Forward from the menu, enter the recipient in the To field, verify what's included, and send. Simple, precise, and done in just a few clicks.